Most people think all commercial insurance policies are the same, but here's the surprising truth. Choosing the right provider can save your business thousands in risk and downtime. Today, I'm giving you an honest review of FM Global Insurance and my experience using it. FM Global specializes in commercial property insurance, focusing on risk management for businesses. Unlike traditional insurers, they emphasize loss prevention strategies, helping companies avoid incidents before they happen. Most people get this wrong. They assume insurance is just about paying premiums and filing claims. FM Global takes a proactive approach, providing engineers and consultants to assess facilities, identify hazards, and implement solutions. You won't believe what happens next. Companies that work with FM Global often see fewer claims over time, and in some cases, lower premiums due to their proactive approach. The policy itself covers property damage from fire, natural disasters, equipment breakdowns, and business interruption. This is particularly useful for manufacturing, warehouses, and critical infrastructure companies. Now the downsides. FM Global is primarily for mid to large businesses. Small businesses may find the cost prohibitive, and the application process can be more detailed than standard insurers. They also focus less on personal or small business policies. The surprising truth about FM Global is that their real value lies in prevention, not just payout. If you implement their recommendations, you're not just insured, you're safer, more efficient, and more resilient. So who should consider FM Global? Any business with significant assets, critical operations, or exposure to property risks. If you want traditional coverage without the extra engineering support, other insurers may suffice. If this review helped clarify how FM Global works and whether it's right for your business, subscribe for more honest insurance and risk management insights before committing to a policy.